Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE, and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12. Register for Stellar Talent Search exam for class 7 to 12. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12. We have study centers at Margao, Vasco, and Porvorim.
This is the 19th edition of Goa Police Football Cup, and as per records, the Goa Police has completed more than 15 years of championship, which itself is the big achievement. With the support of all participating teams and Goa Football Association, we are announcing the 19th edition of Goa Police Football Cup, which will start from 10th of November to 19th of November. We are grateful to the Goa Football Association for their support in organizing every edition of Police Cup, and we are hopeful for their support in future.
It is a big privilege to be part of Goa Police Cup, and I hope all team who is going to participate will be fight for the cup and show the talent what we have in Goa. First time in Police Cup history, this will be live telecast. This has never happened. So on the ground we can enjoy, but who cannot come on the ground, so they can also watch these matches from home.